What's going on, everybody? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an HO scale running session slash update on the progress I've made on this HO layout. I've had this for a while and I've just now getting back into some of the repairs, and 1446 is making her appearance. First time in a while, and I got the top gun right behind him, so it looks pretty good. I've actually been working on some HO projects. As you can see, the latest rebuild is the Southern Gondola. This was actually my dad's, and I just put KD couplers on there and wheel sets. And it's with the Great Northern Ore Hopper and the Swift refrigerator line reefer. All three of those cars were my dad's, and those have now been rebuilt. So glad to see they are back in the service after many years of sitting. So the Great Northern and the Swift refrigerator car were rebuilt last year, and the Southern Gondola was actually finished today. That little piece of wood is actually a piece of body work that I did to it to kind of act as a back and put a little small piece of wood over it so it would not look as obvious. But it's running like a champ. And a few other little HO products I have worked with. I went through my storage line and was actually able to upgrade a few of these cars. The CSX caboose up here, problem with the wheels, I just put brand new Bachmann wheels on her and 2 new couplers. Runs like a champ. Now that's a Walther's train line, by the way. This one here was one of the first cars I ever bought using my own money. It's a little Tyco bulkhead. Just put a brand new McHenry coupler on it because that's what I had here at the house. Let's see. Let me zoom out a little bit here. My CSX weather car, I custom made some graffiti on it when I was in high school and just put a new coupler on it. Perfect. And that's an anthem ready to roll. Now this guy is my Union Railroad cruiser. I just got to glue my stack back on it. But the only thing I had to do was change one coupler, and this was here because of the long air hose. And I'll show you the little stack that I built for it. It's got hot glue back on there. Just took a little piece of coat hanger and put a dab of hot glue and painted it. That's all. So I've been working on a little bit of the HO stuff and just getting my engines running once again. So that's actually been really fun. But the 1446 has been running around a little bit. I've also been grabbing the 4556 because that's the one I run the least amount, and just trying to go through all my engines and getting them running again. As far as the other rolling stock, not much has changed. I've been slowly pulling some stuff out and going through them, and putting some couplers on some and getting them run. The ADM car has been running great, but glad to see these three are running again. My Southern caboose is back out. I just pulled that out of storage. All the cabooses I have been run. All 6 of them, as a matter of fact. The N&W caboose ran the other day. So, but yeah, that's what's been going on with the HO side. It's been good to get back into this side and become a little bit of a mechanic on some of this stuff. It's really fun. So, but that's a little short and sweet update for you. Just want to go ahead and watch that Southern Gondola here right by again. But anyway, guys, that is all that I have for this update. More updates will be coming soon, but just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Happy model railroading. Take care.